Hi, we have a differential equation and some kind of function, and we have to find the Laplace transform. So the question is, a system is described by the differential equation, that is d square y dt square plus 5 dy by dt plus dy of t equal to x of t. That is, this different, they give the differential equation as this. Let x of t be a rectangle pulse given by as x of t equal to 1 whenever x of t is equal to 1, whenever t is greater than 0 and less than 2, otherwise it gets 0. Assuming that y of 0 value is 0 and dy of dt equal to 0 at t equal to 0, the Laplace transform of y of t is, we have to find the Laplace transform of y of t. We have differential equation here. How we have to do that? In Laplace transform, we have tons of equation and set of rules. For the rules, from the rules we grab some kind of things. We have the advantage here. Laplace transform of d of f of t by dt, which is equivalent to s of f of s, that is the Laplace transform domain unique variable, that is s, minus f of 0, and again Laplace transform of d square f of t divided by dt square, which is equivalent to s square f of s minus f of f0 minus f dash of 0, that is, this f dash means d of d theta 0th value, and this f of 0th value is whatever the f of y of 0. Here already given that y of 0 and dy of dt, that is 0. That means y of 0 and y dash of 0 is 0. So applying this value from we are just removing this d square dt value by applying this s square f of s minus s of f of 0 dash minus f of 0 dash, and same will applicable to this df of t dt, that is here dy of t, and but this magnitude, thus 5, will be as it is. From the equation we remove that x square, that is we are applying the d square y dt by dt square value as s square y of s minus s of y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus, and 5 into dy of dt can be written as s of y of s minus y of 0 plus we can't change the y of t value, so we are in the set of the rules which is given to us through Laplace transform. There is no way to change the y of t, so we written as y of s itself. So this value, that is y of 0 and y dash of 0 getting 0, so we will eliminating these y of 0, y dash of 0 and y of 0. The equation becomes x square y of s plus 5 of x y of s plus 6 y of s equal to x of s. From this complete term we getting the y of s as a common, so we will get y of s into x square plus 5s plus 6 equal to x of x. Y of x equal to x of s divided by x square plus 5s plus 6. This is the result of that. But we have x of s. X of x value is, if the x of s values does not given that, so we can easily ending this problem as this result, as a result. But here x of t is given as 1 by 1 to 0 1. X of t value is 1 when t is less than or equal to less than 0 or greater than 2, otherwise 0. So it's like a rectangular form can be written as x of t equal to u of t minus u t minus 2. U of t is Laplace transform for u of t is 1 by s, and 1 ut minus 2 can be written as 1 by s e power minus 2t. So 1 by s taken as the common, so we will get 1 by s multiple of 1 minus e power minus 2t. So we have y of s, and so we should apply the y of x of s value in the equation y of s. So we will get 1 by s 1 minus e power minus 2t divided by x square plus 5s plus 6. So 1 by x can be written in the numerator. So we will get 1 minus e power minus 2t divided by x into x plus 2 multiple of x plus 3. This is the final equation for the given differential equation. That is this differential equation value, the Laplace transform for this differential equation value would be y of s equal to 1 minus e power minus 2t divided by x into s plus 2 plus s plus 3. That's it. Thank you. Your comments are welcomed.